Buruji Kashamu was a Nigerian politician who served as a senator representing Ogun East in the 8th National Assembly. Ogun East covers 11 local government areas: Ijebu Northeast, Ijebu North, Ijebu-Ode, Ijebu East, Ikenne, Odogbolu, Remo North, Sagamu, and Ogun Waterside. Senator Kashamu was the vice chairman of the Senate Committee on States and Local Government. He was a chieftain of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Ogun State. He was appointed as the chairman, Organization, and Mobilization Committee of the PDP in the southwest zone of Nigeria. In 2018, he was expelled from the People's Democratic Party, a decision later voided by an Abuja High Court in October 2018. He was the 2019 Ogun State gubernatorial election candidate of the People's Democratic Party. He died of COVID-19 on 8 August 2020. Kashamu was born in Ogun State, Nigeria on 19 May 1958. Kashamu started his education at Ansaruddin Primary School, Ijebu-Igbo, and left in 1972 to complete his primary school education at St. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.